Okay, go ahead.
Hey, how you all doing today? My name is Steven. I'm one of the techs here at Batwing Cycles. Here today, we're going to demonstrate and show you that we offer here at Batwing Cycles Towing Services for most bikes in the local Lake Elsinore area. $20. Anything outside of that, we'll work out a deal with you. As we come on back here, we'll demonstrate to you how the bikes get loaded up in our trailer. Kyle here will explain and show you how well the bikes are strapped in, so you ensure that your bikes are being properly secured at all times without any risk of falling over and getting damaged.
Oh, there, Steve. If you want to give me a hand holding this bike, that's how you strap her in properly.
Sure, buddy.
Alright, there you go. And then we'll just spray it. The cool thing about that camera is this part we can edit and just do like a speed battle of us strapping it down, so I don't really have to talk.
You know I am.
Because technology. That's why.
Why did it just go black?
Kyle, talk. Kyle, you kind of running short here. Like
I'm running short. I got 2 seconds.
10 seconds left.
2 seconds.
You're already over a minute, anyways.
Oh, we can speed it up when we edit it. Alright. Don't go all the way down.
Huh?
Don't go all the way down.
Oh, shit. Why not?
Okay. Just wrap it up and then high five each other and walk out. Thank you. Alright. Look out and we'll all do the thank you up in front of this sign. Because we can edit this part. We can edit that. Okay. And then we'll all do it right here. Where's that homeless lady? You can hold the camera. Come on, dear.
No, you two can do it.
No, wait, let's shut the trailer. Well, be careful because
The sign.
the straps are.
It's fine.
Alright.
That's how it's done, y'all. Well, thank you. Come down, check out our store. We have all kinds of sales, parts, swap meet section, do-it-yourself side of the garage there, and